welcome second graders. So we've already learned how to add and subtract. So now we're just gonna review and learn some strategies to go along with it. So to begin with is largest numbers. So in adding and subtracting, adding it's not as big of a deal to start the largest number, but subtracting, super important. You have to start the largest number. So let's practice some of these. So let's see. Give me a number from 1 to 20.
19.
And then let's subtract it and do 20. It's not possible, right? Because the first number is bigger, okay? So now if you switch it and have the largest number be first, then you can subtract and get
1.
Okay. Now if you have, let's see, 8, 3, what number would you start with?
11.
And then you would subtract
8.
and then you could do 3. Alright, so that's one strategy. Next one is so sums up 10 is where you automatically memorize sort of what two numbers go together to make 10. So with 1, what would go together to make 10?
9.
And then with 2?
8.
And 3?
7.
Do you see how it's also the opposite? How you're going down this way, but then you're starting higher and going lower? So 4 would be
6.
5,
5.
6,
4. 3. 2. 1.
Perfect. Alright, so these help you in adding because then when you get 7 and maybe you have a 4, you know it's over 10 because 7 and 3. Last strategy to learn is sorry. Do you guys need paper to write notes on it?
Yes. Yes.
You don't have to really. Alright. This one's a little bit harder and might require practice with writing down. And it's the breaking apart method. So if you have a double digit number like 14, you can separate it into 10 and 4. So if you're doing 14 plus 3, then you can do 10 and 4 plus 3. So that can break it down into simpler steps and then you can add it all together. So pick another double digit number.
27.
Okay, so what can that be broken up into?
20 and 7.
Okay. And then 20 can be broken up into
10.
yes. So now you can add those all up together and get 27. And if you had 27 plus, let's do 14 again like we did up here, then you get 10, 4. So it simplifies it, so it's all numbers that are easy to add up. So you get 30 right here, plus 7 and 4. So, have you guys all played War before, the card game?
Yeah.
So we're going to play that game with a twist. because so you're going to be in groups of 3, and one person will be the recorder or the referee, and they will be in charge of taking down the numbers and then making sure that the math is right. So, war is played as 2 people playing at once, and you'll divide the deck in half. And then so let's have you 2 start as our example. And you'll flip over 1 card each, and you'll add them together. So
11.
11, good. And so you're in charge of actually saying it, so it's 10 plus 1. The recorder's in charge of saying it. And then you guys, first one that says the answer aloud will win the cards. Okay? So since she called it, she would win it. Okay? But it's just a practice round. So then you're in charge of taking down the numbers and the rounds.
Do you want me to write down, or do you want me to just say it?
Just to write down.
Okay.
And you'll do 5 rounds, and then you'll switch, and so each of you will have a chance to actually be the recorder and read it and say it and then write it, and then after all of you guys have played, you'll do subtraction. So it's harder. Any questions? Alright, so what are before you guys start, what's the job of the recorder?
Just write down the number.
To write down the math problem and say it aloud.
Yeah, say them out loud.
And then you guys have to be the fastest
Just
and
say
say the answer.
answer.
Okay, and let's begin. 12,
Plus
What is that?
11.
11. 2 plus 11.
13!
So you're the referee, you gotta pick whoever said it first.
I don't know. What should I do?
If it's a tie, you can just keep them and redo it.
Okay.
Okay.
Shuffle this the other way. So that's
3
12 plus 3.
14.
That's what's sticking out.
17!
Good job.
Oh.
Wait, was it?
Yeah.
Wait, what? What? I guessed that. Wait. Alright, so, go.
5.
2.
Wait, I thought these were 11.
No, the jack is 11, queen is 12, king is 13.
So king is
18.
No, so it's 18.
18.
Think of the strategies.
What?
Strategies.
Okay, I got these strategies.
1,
2, 3.
So if it's a big number, you can break it up.
16. 18.
Yes.
So
Okay.
are the numbers, right? Wait, how many have we done?
Order, how many have they done? 3?
1, 2, 3.
3 that have counted, yes.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. 9, 7, 18. 18. Oh, this is sad. I'm good at math. 1, 2, 3. 18. She didn't say it out loud.
That's because Eileen was too fast.
1, 2, 3.
9 plus 9.
18.
I wasn't
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 8 plus
18. What is up with this?
Big numbers.
I think we've done 5. Have we done 5?
Okay, so
Yeah.
now you switch. So
I'll switch with you.
you don't really have to move spots. However you guys want to do it.
Oh, baby. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 11. 18. 4.
I thought you got this one start, right?
No, still addition until
Okay.
next round is subtraction. Because you haven't had a time to add.
Okay. Got
1,
it.
2, 3. 12 plus
12.
6.
It's 18.
1, 2, 3. 5 plus 13. 18.
19.
Wait. It's 18. Why is every answer 18?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 5. 4 plus 1, yeah. 5.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 2 plus
5.
8.
Good job. I didn't even look at it before you said the answer.
Okay, one more time.
1, 2, 3.
5.
5.
6, 5. I keep these.
Okay, I'll start you.
Okay.
So now you guys will do subtraction.
Subtraction. Got it. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
3.
3, yeah.
4 minus 1.
1, 2, 3.
5 minus 1. 4.
9.
Oh, wait, that is 1.
13
That's
minus 5
13 minus 5.
is 9.
7.
Is 9.
8. It's 8.
Yeah! Look at the 3 for that one.
Okay.
Neither of them got it. Is that 12?
6.
Minus 6.
1, 2, 3.
11 minus 7.
5, 4. 4. It's 4.
Is this your last?
Yeah, I think it's the
Okay.
last
1,
one.
2, 3. 10 minus 8.
2.
Okay, we'll do a tiebreaker.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 0.
0.
That's 9. Oh wait, that's 9. Oh, this
Okay.
is so good.
How do I have like no more?
It probably just wasn't.
You can flip them over. And then do one more rotation, so then
I can subtract. Oh yeah, you guys can subtract. Guys, I'm not good at this.
I don't know, my brain's not exactly.
I still have to use my fingers. Hey, I'm a second grader.
It's true.
So should I be here or here?
Here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Bring it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
7.
Oh, let's just skip it.
I don't know what just came out of my mouth.
1, 2,
Was that 12?
6.
5.
6.
5.
5, 7, 8, 9,
5.
10, 11, 12.
it's 5.
I like this game. 3.
3.
1.
1.
Eh.
That's like
Yeah, that was the time. 12, 13.
4
9.
minus 4.
8.
8.
8.
I think it's 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3.
1, 2, 3.
10.
Skip it.
1, 2, 3.
Alrighty, last
6.
Ooh.
You do
Can have it. Alrighty. So, as I was watching you guys, what were some of the hardest problems? Were these
All of them.
13?
Kings, queens, and jacks.
Okay, so these were the ones that you guys struggled with, had a little, so we'll work through them. So 13 plus 5, do you guys know what strategy you guys use on that to figure it out?
That one.
The breaking apart? Okay, so what's the answer now that you've done?
18.
Lots of 18s in your round.
17, okay? 17.
Okay. 13 minus 5.
8.
7.
8. It's 8.
It's 8.
8.
Okay, so this one, you could do, first off, you start off with the largest number and you see the 13s in front. And then what could you do? Do the breaking apart method again to make it simpler? Okay, 7 plus 11.
18.
And what did you use to do that?
10.
Sums of 10?
No.
Because you know that this one's close to 10, and so you took out 1.
Yeah.
Everyone has their own strategy.
Yeah.
Okay,
5.
okay, how'd you get that so fast?
She knew it already. She cheated. She was looking in front.
Because
You can do 10 minus 7
Yeah. Equals 3
plus 2.
2.
Perfect. So keep practicing these strategies. Will help you with the mental math, so you don't have to write it down or use your fingers as much, though your fingers do always know the right answer. These are also the basic parts that will help you in all your math to come. So soon enough, you won't even know that you actually memorized these strategies and are using them.